We're done washing our hands and we have ingredients. This is bread cup.
Next.
How about this one?
Onion.
This one?
Cheese.
And this one?
Mayonnaise.
And this one?
Tunas. Little fish.
And last?
Bread.
Yay!
Okay, let's start.
We're gonna making a tuna pie. Seth, we're gonna pick here and he answered my question.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start it.
Yay! Okay. I'm gonna choose the.
Okay, now we're that. First.
Yeah.
First question, see? You pick.
Pick.
Okay, first question.
The first question.
The first question, what is the smallest city?
It's Vatican City.
That's correct.
Yeah.
Yay! First step, you put the tuna here.
Yeah.
And then, second step,
Cheese.
the cheese. Okay.
Go. Put it all. Next.
And next,
Onion.
the onion.
More onions.
Okay.
For now.
Use spoon.
Dali.
Paubos?
No.
Only.
Ask you a question again. Siya.
Yeah.
What do you do before you go to bed for sleep?
I brush teeth
And then,
and the bar.
the ball. And then,
Okay.
And I will go to sleep and pray.
how many planets in the solar system can you name it?
What are those?
It's
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter,
Ako,
Saturn,
ano faster?
Uranus, Neptune.
yay!
Yeah.
Next.
Mix.
And then?
Mix.
Who is the president of the
Empire.
Philippines?
Rodrigo Duterte.
Yay! What is your favorite place to hang out with your family?
Why we are here?
Seth.
What is your favorite place to hang out with your family?
Cebu.
Cebu and Cebu. Question.
Oh, give it to Tita Loise.
Who is your favorite YouTuber blogger?
Jump and Delphi.
What is the biggest planet in the solar system?
It's Jupiter.
Correct.
Right. Here we're gonna do this. Another ingredients. proceeded. You put the bread here. Last step, we're gonna fry it and we're done.
This is the finished product!
We're done!